And welcome back, Gorilla Man's Garage. Beautiful day today, another beautiful day. A little bit windy. I'll put the forecast up here. We have today the Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal, the version 1. About a month ago they came out with the version 2, but it was only available in certain countries like the UK, United States, Germany, things like that. Not Canada yet. But I did notice on the Amazon website for Canada that it's supposed to be coming tomorrow. So we'll have a look. We want to get a hold of it. We really want to compare the two. From all the notes and the manuals that I've read, the real only difference is the 1/3 camera versus a 1/2 inch camera. A lot of AI stuff tracking, blah, 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 but it's all optical tracking. There's no GPS tracking. So, and the circle mode still, it's not really any good because if you lose your track, your visual track, you're gone. It's no, you can't set the center and then come back out and let the GPS run you around it. Can't do any of that. No GPS follow modes, anything like that. And there's really no waypoint mission mode. So really, it's a little bit better camera with less flight options. Some of the basic stuff, but we're going to see anyway. So let's get this up in the air. Let's get some nice shots around and let's see where we can go. Okay, the Potensic Atom version 1, 3-axis gimbal, 1/3 inch sensor, probably one of the best 1/3 inch sensors I've seen. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's go. Here we are, we have it on the pad here, the Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal. Let's get it up, ready to go. We're going to go 4K at 30 frames per second. We can take some photos, have a look around, have a look at it. Should be pretty good compared to some of the other ones that I've just posted. Let's compare it. This is a 1/3 inch sensor against the 1/2 inch sensor of the X8 SE 2022 and the X8 Tele that I just posted. Go back and have a look at that one. I'll put the link up here for that. Okay, let's get it up, and it's going to give me a confirm. I still haven't switched that off. Just go up it goes. There we go. There it is. It's pretty solid. It is pretty solid for what they class as a budget drone. A little twitchy sometimes, but pretty solid. I did do a compass calibration inside, but yeah, it's not bad. Let's just go forward. Okay. Now I have it in camera mode. So I'm just going to go, because there's a little bit of wind, I'm just going to change that to, change the speed to normal. There we go. Speed setting normal. Just to give it a little bit extra oomph if I need it. Okay, let's start that video. There we go. Up we go. And we're just going to go this way. Okay, we're going to go up. And as far as this camera goes, there we go. We're up at 35 meters, I think it is. Yep, something like that. This is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and it's pretty good. It does have a good depth of field for brightness. It's what they call it's not a comparative, but it changes ambient lighting and things like that, and sometimes it can get up to 800 or 900 nits, so that's pretty good. I can still see it pretty good. We'll just come down there. I like that one better. Okay, so how's that across the street? Pretty good. We're up at 34, 35. Let's get these angles like this a little bit better. There we go. Turned around. We're at 34. Oh, height's at 50. Sorry, I was looking at the distance. Bring that down. I want to be only about 45 or so, 50. That's good enough. Okay, turned around. And we're going to head out towards the famous, infamous lake, which should be just about 3, 2, 1 that way. Okay, we're going to stand over here and we're going to watch it go. Now, how are we doing for speed wise? We're doing 4 or 5 meters per second, which is excellent. I have no problems with that at all. Remember, we just did, there was an update. Oh, we have a flash there saying it's 4. So the wind is coming in So on the way back, we should just be sailing. See that flash there? That's pretty cool. So we'll just keep on going. It's a beautiful blue sky day, and this is the Potensic. Now, I don't know why they decided to release the Potensic into the States, the UK, Germany, places like that, but not Canada. Is it a regulation thing? Is it the no-fly zone thing? The geo zone thing? I don't know. Oh, okay. Well, we're going to have a look at that. See if we can correct that a little bit. There we go. We're still going forward. It's a little spotty. If I move over a little bit, does it get any better? We can go up a little higher. Yeah, there we go. It gets pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good for this, for where we are. So let's turn that around. Okay, let's do a return to home and see what happens.
Returning.
I like the automatic returns. And if I just hit the power button once. There we go. I hit the power button once and the beep goes off. I learned that. That was a good thing, okay? Because if you hit the return to home button once, it'll just cancel it. So it's coming back, no more beeps. There we go, okay. Yeah, and that's like a silent return, which is pretty good. We're all at 0. Everything, the EV is at 0, and it's coming back. I want to see how accurate it is in this cold weather. I did put the forecast up earlier. I'll put it up again. We're around that 0 mark, 1 degree. It might feel a little bit colder. I don't know where they exactly take the temperatures from, but anyway. So, and then we're going to head the other way like we did. There it is. Drone is landing. Don't want that. There we go. So let's go the other way. Yeah, it's right up there. Okay. Let's go the other way. Out that way. There we go. So as I was saying, no, there it goes. Okay. As I was saying before, I don't know why Potensic did that. They sent it out to some countries and not ours. What I'm thinking is maybe because the geo zones and things like that. But I know that the first batch they've sold out of pretty well, and usually on the first batch they change something in the second batch, and I'm thinking the Canadian one and the rest of the market and the one on the official website, which hasn't released any yet, are going to get the second batch, and something's going to be different about them. Don't know what, but something is going to be different. We'll go up to 54. Yeah, we're not getting too much in the way of range, but we're out about 600 meters. That's about it. Okay. Coming back is going to be a struggle. So there we go. Yeah, about 600 or 700. Yeah, let's do this return to home bit.
Returning.
Returning. Oh, we got some pop-ups there. So, oh, it is windy. Might not be able to do it. There we go. Turn that signal off again. And it's coming back at 9 meters per second. Wow, that's pretty fast. Pretty cool. Okay. Can we come down a little bit? Might be a little bit too high. Height is, oh, hard to see on that one. I can see it, but when you've got snow and white font, pretty hard to see. So here we go. We're coming back now. Oh, there we go. Oh, 10 meters per second. No problem at all. That wind warning went away, I guess. And we're up at 58 meters. Wow. Can we come down any? 57, 55, 40, 50. Yeah, something like that. 49. That's cool. Okay. Oh, we're in the orange. Saw some orange there. Yep. Let's come on down. I'm going to come down and have a look at this house over here, take some pictures, see if we can zoom in a little bit, and go from there. Okay. Here we come. Yeah, so I don't know why Potensic hasn't released it from their website yet, the Atom 2. But I've been studying the manual, I've been downloading, and they have changed the manual. Zippo! I will say this, it's pretty accurate, but it's really hard to see in the sky. It really is hard to see. It's such a tiny white little drone. And if you get a white drone and a cloud or a far off blue background, you can't see it. The drone is landing. Okay. Let's see how low down we come. There we go. Okay, we're going to turn it that way. And we're going to look at that. Stop that video. Switch over. And take a picture. There we go. Okay. And we're going to have a look at this over here. No, over here. Sorry. Up. We got to go up higher. There we go. Take a picture there. There we go. Now then, we're going to go back to the video. Start the video. Boom. Okay. And we're going to do a circle. So, we're going to go to... No, move you out of the way. Can't. Stop that video. We're going to circle. Okay. Draw a circle. Okay. Let's go around to our house. There we go, and we're still up at 38. A little higher. Here we go. Draw a circle. There we go, and go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, and we're just going to see what happens with it. There it goes. See if it loses it, because this is visual circle. Does a pretty good job. I like the idea. I like the concept. But if you go behind trees like this, it kind of has a weird... I think it's going to lose it for sure. Well, maybe not. It's should have lost it by there, shouldn't it? Well, maybe it is doing... Oh, no, it's way off. It's caught the trees now. So we're not circling the house anymore. So, don't know what it's doing, but... that's what it's doing. We'll see if it ends up back to where it started. Well, I'd say no. So it's an optical thing, and when you have an optical circle, it's not an orbit. Stop. You start over there. Okie dokie. And that should be a little video, I think, if it finishes. 89, 99%. Is it going to finish? There we go. Okay. Stop that. Let's come back here. Okay, let's switch that to video. Switch it to video mode. Okay, and we're going to do a manual orbit. Here we go. We're going to go... There we go. We'll try that. I can't get that right. Here we go. I don't do manual orbits, but this was all I got, so. There we go. Kind of slow and goofy, but and we're back to almost where we started. I'm not very good at manual orbits, but anyway, here we go. Boom. Okay, stop that video. Move over a bit. It handles very well. It really does. I mean, we're going to take a photo. Very good. So let's just land this thing here. There we come. It did very well considering. There we go. Camera up. There we go. Excellent. Another picture. Excellent. Let's bring it in. And we'll do a landing. There we go. And we're just going to come in a little bit. Handles very well. I'm really surprised. It's a Potensic. I had my doubts originally, and it took me a long time to get one, but I got one. Here we go. And down. Boop. And I love that as soon as it lands in your hand, it stops. Poof. None of this, and it takes 30 seconds for the motors to kick off. Let me put this down and we'll come right back. So there you have it. The Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal version 1, a 1/3 camera, and I have to say, with the right lighting, with good lighting and that, it's by far the best 1/3-inch camera I've found on the market today, okay? Not the cheapest sub 250 4K video drone 3-axis gimbal, not the cheapest, but one of the better ones out of the box, okay? So I can hardly wait till we get to compare it to the Potensic Atom version 2. Hopefully, if things work right, I might get it by the end of the week. So we'll see what happens. And we're also thinking about the V-Copter Mini. That's going to be something, isn't it? Okay, and we've got a few other things lined up, some weird stuff coming up, okay, some really off-topic stuff. So there you go. Anyway, hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell, buy me hot chocolate, coffee or something. Oh, by the way, I keep a separate file for all the donations that you guys put when I do all this kind of stuff. A lot of people, you know, donations, $5, $10, $20, whatever. Okay, all that money goes into a bank. Okay, and when it gets big enough, we buy something. So we have enough money in there now to buy these next 2 drones, which is really good. And thanks to everybody that's contributed, it's amazing. Okay, as I say, even though it's around that 0 mark, 1 degree mark, it gets cold really fast when you're out. It's damp. It's very damp. Okay, so till next time, take care. Bye now.